Yes, the first question of our worksheet today is write the difference between ligaments and tendon. Aryan, give the answer. Agamjot, yes.
Ma'am, ligaments are like it joins bones to bone, and ma'am, it is like thin strand. And tendons are it join muscles to bone. It join muscles to bone.
Okay, anything, any more information regarding this? Any more difference? Okay, next one. Difference between cartilage and bone. Ashmita, cartilage and bone. All are there in your book, children. What is the difference between cartilage and bone? Yes, Dipta.
Ma'am, cartilages are softer than the bones. It is present between the bones so that the bones don't get rubbed off. And the bones are harder than cartilages. Bones help in movement.
And their bones also give structure to our body. Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
very
there
good.
I can give my
Next.
point.
Yes, Shivam. Yes, you can. Shivam, you can.
Ma'am, the cartilage can bend also.
It is much more flexible than bones. Bones cannot bend, but cartilage can bend. Yes. For example, you can give the example of a pinna. External ear, the front part of our nose. Okay. Yes, Aditya, anything else you want to answer? Okay.
Ma'am.
Next, write short note on rib cage. Aditya will answer. Short note on rib cage.
Ma'am, rib cage is a bone cage that protects our lungs and heart.
Many more information I need. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ankita,
it is
continue.
attached to the vertebrae.
Okay, Ankita,
Ma'am,
any other information?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so our rib cage is a cage made out of bones, which out of which it has 12 pairs of ribs, out of which 10 are attached to the chest bone or sternum, and ma'am, two of them are not attached to anything and are called floating ribs. Ma'am, they protect the heart and lungs of our.
Body. They protect our
Ma'am,
internal
can I
organ like
also
heart and lung. Very
answer?
good. Yes, Richa. Yes, Risha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
Redscape helps to protect our internal organs, and it consists of 24 ribs, two set of 12.
Okay. So is it clear? All the informations are going to write it together. Short notes means every information should be there. Next point, the short note on ball and socket joint. Raise your hands. Yes, Nancy. Nancy, ball and socket joint.
Yes, ma'am. The rounded end of one bone fits into a cavity hollow space of the other bone. Such a joint allows movement in all directions, which is called ball and socket joint.
Okay. Any more information? Its location and some exact places where it is present. Yes, Ashmita.
Ma'am,
Ashmita.
movement in all directions. Ma'am, should I join?
Ashmita will answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ball and socket joint, also called the spheroidal joint and vertebrate anatomy, a joint in which the rounded surface of a bone moves within a depression
Okay, I'm
on
not
other
asking.
bone.
It has been told, but I'm asking. Nancy has given a very good one, but I'm
Ma'am,
asking the
the ball
location.
and socket joint is located in our hip and our shoulder.
In our hip joint and the shoulder joint. Okay, there we are having the balance. Yes, Dipta, anything? Any else? Anything else?
No,
Yes.
ma'am. In the types of joint, ma'am, we have to also draw the joints.
Yes. Okay. As per as you can. Okay, next one. Types of joints. Yes, you will mention. Who will answer? Aryan.
Ma'am,
Now this time Aryan will answer. Yes, Aryan.
ma'am, there are five types of joints. Ma'am, hinge joint, pelvic joint, then the pivot joint.
Hinge joint, ball and
Ma'am,
socket
ball and
joint,
socket.
pivot joint,
Then saddle joint.
gliding
Ma'am,
joints,
fixed joint.
fixed joints. Very good. Yes. pelvic joint is a type of location of the type of that is a ball and socket joint. Okay, we do not include pelvic joint. You can give as an example that you are writing ball and socket joint. Give example located in the shoulder joint and also the pelvic joints. Okay, again that is the hinge joint, elbow and knee. Like that you are going to write and draw. Okay, drawing is also must, children. Next question. How do earthworm moves? Okay, make it correct. Earthworm. I have written earth. I think earthworm hoga. Earthworm.
Ma'am,
How do earthworm moves? Other than those who have already given answers. Harshita.
ma'am, I have a question.
Just wait. Aryan, just thoda sa wait karo. Yes, Harshita. Who will give the answer? Rohan Kumar. How earthworm moves?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, you can. Bolo.
Ma'am,
Ayush.
ma'am, earthworm have groups of bristles on each segment of the body that move in and out to grip surfaces as they stretch and contact their muscles to push themselves forward or backward.
Okay, so then you will mention the two types of muscles. One is circular muscle and the other one is longitudinal muscle. Yes, Dipta, anything else you want to answer? Want to share?
Ma'am, the bristles are also called setae.
CT. Yes, it is called CT. Any more information, Ankita?
Ma'am, earthworm have also fine muscles.
Deepika said. Ma'am, I just wanted to add what Deepika said.
Okay, so mainly earthworm moves with the help of that contraction and relaxation of pair of muscles, circular muscles and longitudinal muscles. They can grip on the ground with the help of small leg-like structure, fine bristles. They are called CT. Okay, they can move forward or backward with the help of this contraction and relaxation. Am I clear, children?
Ma'am,
How? Yes. How do muscle works? Next question. Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, can I take?
Yes, Nancy. You get.
When a muscle contracts, it shortens, becomes smaller. Muscles are attached to the bones of our skeleton through a long fiber called tendons. Muscles always work in pair. When one muscle of pair contracts, then the other muscle of pair is relaxed. A contracted muscle can come back to its original position only when the other muscle of the pair contracts.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, next question. All of you have understood what to write. It is from the book also. You know that. It is very easy. Next. What are the usefulness of doing yoga? Shivam Singh Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, usefulness of doing yoga is it helps in keeping the backbone and ma'am, it helps in keeping the backbone and enabling to sit straight.
ma'am, may I say, ma'am, may I?
Yes, Aradhna, you can. Aradhna, you can.
Yes, ma'am. Yoga keeps a person healthy. It it helps in keeping the backbone erect and enabling you to sit straight and not to slouch.
Okay, and also it also helps in relieving joint pains, which is mostly observed in the elderly people. It tunes all the muscles in the body and keeps them active. It keeps the heart healthy and makes it work more efficiently. Okay, clear, children?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
One by one.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am,
Shreyash will answer. Yes,
Ma'am,
Shreyash.
yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. Ma'am, it helps in back pain relief. Ma'am,
Relief.
yoga can authorize symptoms.
Yoga can?
Ma'am, yoga can help with back pain relief.
No, sometimes symptoms. What you are craving? That line. Read the line. What symptoms?
Ma'am, yoga can is ma'am help to authorize the symptoms.
It's not the right one. You're just reading from somewhere and you're not okay with it. Just go to the book and last part, that paragraph is giving all. Yes, Harshita.
Slow movement blood flow, and ma'am, warm up our muscles.
Muscles. Next question. What do you mean by streamlined body? How this shape is useful for locomotion? What is streamlined body? I'm not getting hands up except Agam, Ankita, Dipta छोड़ के, Aditya छोड़ के. Rohan Kumar, Devanshi. Yes, Arpit will answer.
Ma'am, a streamlined body is a shape that lowers the friction drag between a fluid.
That is the usefulness. And what is streamlined body? Streamlined body is a shape. Yes, Ankita?
Ma'am, a streamlined body is a shape that tapers at two ends and bulges in the center.
Yes, very good. Okay, next, the last one is what are carpals?
It helps in easy movement in water.
Yes. What are carpals? Ayush Pade.
One of the leaf-like seed-bearing structures that constitute the innermost.
No. You're searching. Ayush, you're searching from the net and you're giving the answer. Don't do that.
No,
I'm just
ma'am.
doing it from the. Yes, you are. Because carpals are not this carpal that I have given you. It is a part of your body. Some of the bones are known as carpals. Ayush, don't search it for. It's in your book only. We are doing body movement. Body movement may. This is carpal is a different part, the female part of the
It's in the
flower.
wrist.
That is
Ma'am,
different.
the
Yes.
wrist bones are called carpals.
Yes.
The eight bones and the fingers.
Ma'am, these bones and the fingers.
So all of you are able to write it now. I think I have started also writing. Please do write and complete and send me the PDF and be in the class. Okay.